Welcome to Planter Garden TV. How you guys doing today? Well, today I add more herbs to my small garden right here. But right now, if you notice how the dot looking real dry out because I add some dirt to these plants, and it was really cold yesterday and this morning. So it's like the dirt almost get free. So this morning I come and I'm wetting them with a little warm water to kind of tow out this dirt and also wet the plant because it's still freezing at this time. It's really cold. It's really cold at this moment. I want to wet them, but I got to wet them with a little warm water. Not too warm. Just a little, you know. Instead of being fully cold, you just warm it up a little. Well, just turn on the pipe, warm it up, and then you just wet your plants then. You know, everything looking nice, everything coming along real beautiful. These are my okra slip. Look how they're coming along. You know, I'm getting ready to plant them out. I'm gonna allow them to get a little bigger because right now it's still a little cold, so I'm gonna leave them a little. Look how this time looking fresh and start, you know, growing back, looking nice, you know. You know, everything looking nice, you know. It's about giving them love and care, and they will definitely do their best for you. Okay, so how you guys doing this morning? I hope you guys still doing that water challenge. I hope you guys doing that because it's important and it's make you feel good and it have a lot of benefit with it. So I hope you guys keep doing the water challenge. Also, the giveaway is getting closer and closer and closer. We finally in the month of April and the giveaway is getting closer. So the giveaway is getting closer and there will be a lucky winner on that day. Yes, $100 giveaway, guys. I appreciate you guys. You guys, you guys give me some really encouraging comment. You guys make me really want to make videos. So I really appreciate you guys. And always remember, love yourself. Love yourself. It's very important to love yourself. Always remember that. I have to love myself before somebody else love me. Because if you don't love yourself, nobody gonna love you. Okay? So love yourself, understand what love is, because you could gain love within yourself. And then when you gain love within yourself, you understand what is love. And you know what to expect. Okay? So you have to love yourself first before you can love others. You cannot love the world and hate yourself. So you have to love yourself first. So I'm just telling you guys about the giveaway, about the hot water challenge, and a very important message: loving yourself. So I appreciate you guys. Thanks you guys for everything. Thank you for all the comment. And after this giveaway, I'm gonna have another giveaway on when I reach a 1,000 subscribers, at least 1,050. 1,050. When I reach that, I'm gonna have another giveaway which is gonna be double. So guys, support the channel, share the videos, comment on the videos, put the channel out there. Lots of great video coming. And after this giveaway, there will be another one coming as soon as I hit that 1,000 subscribers. All right, so I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys very much. Have a blessed and wonderful day.